Hello guys, my name is Enu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be designing a church flyer like what you are seeing on your screen in Pixellab. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. This is the background I got from Pinterest. Yeah, so the size for the design is 1080 by 1280. I'm going to start with the background blending. So I'll click on this plus icon, go for a shape. I'll then head over to gradient, then I'll select any default gradient and click on this plus icon. I will select this and click on the color drop. Change the color to black. Select the second slider, click on color drop and move it to the transparent side. Press OK and OK again. Increase the size, position it here, head over to texture, okay, we head over to opacity, then reduce opacity. So reduce opacity a bit, okay, and we lock our layer. We click on plus icon, go for shape, head over to gradient, we select this particular one over here. Okay, so we increase the size. Then make a duplicate, rotate it to the other end, position it here. Okay, we lock our layers. Click on the plus icon, go for from gallery. That's the church logo. Position it here. We lock our layer. Click on the plus icon, click on sticker. So automatically when I click on sticker, it pop up some whitish or lighting effect over here. Make a duplicate and place it on it. Reduce opacity. Okay, yeah, then you lock your layers. Click on the plus icon, go from gallery, image, use the size and position it here. Click on plus icon, go for shape, go for gradient, select your and rotate it, increase the size, then you position it here. Okay, make a duplicate, then okay, yeah, so you lock your layers. You click on the plus icon, go for a test, go to edit, increase the size or decrease the size, head over to alignment and center align the text. Make a duplicate, then position it here, go to edit and paste your text over here. This is the location of the text, sorry, of the church here. Click on the plus icon, go for text again, position it here, go to edit, supernatural, go to style. I already have a text effect that I'm going to use for this. Head over to font, then you change the font to this, increase the size to 50. Okay, yeah, go to plus icon, text, position it here, go to edit, uplifting, head over to style, you change your font, increase the size, okay, yeah, click on plus icon from gallery. This is the location icon over here. We're going to change the color to yellow. Okay, click on the plus icon, click on shape, reduce or increase the radius of the shape, reduce the size, yeah, go to color, then gradient, then select this gradient over here, click on the plus icon, text. I'm gonna change the font to Montserrat extra bold, go to edit, increase the size, you change the color to black and use position to position it well. Make a duplicate of this text, click on edit, we change the color to black, make a duplicate, click on edit, use position to position it, head over to style and bold the text, you change the color to black, yeah, so you make a duplicate again and place it here, go to edit, okay, head over to spacing, line spacing, you cross line spacing, then we head over to color, then we select only the apostle, then we change the color, I click on the plus icon, go for shape, we select this particular shape, change the color, reduce the size, then move it here, Sorry, you always make sure you lock your layers so you don't move it by mistake. Okay, yeah. Make a duplicate, place it here, click on edit, present, reduce the size, go to font. We're gonna change it to Montserrat Light. Okay, and go to spacing, then let's space it. Okay, make a duplicate of this text, then position it here so it invites a friend. Okay, so reduce the size. Yeah,